my God. Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big old thumbs up. Even if you do not celebrate Christmas, have a very happy holiday. Today's video is sponsored by this amazing app that I'm so excited to tell you guys about because I've actually been super obsessed with this app. It is called 21 Buttons. A lot of you guys are always asking me where I get my clothes, where's this from, where's your necklace from, where's this shoe from. This app is a literal lifesaver. Before I get into everything I got for Christmas, I just want to let you guys know what the app is about. So 21 Buttons is this amazing social media fashion app where you guys can discover new fashion trends from influencers and your friends. But what's really cool about this app is that you actually earn money every single time somebody shops one of the items that you tag in your own profile, which is super awesome. Obviously, it's the holiday season. New Year's is right around the corner. Why don't you guys earn some coin just from literally telling others where you got your outfit from? So I think this app is incredible. My profile is the same as my Instagram, so if you guys want to check it out, it will be linked inside the description box. Make sure you guys download the app and let me know in the comments down below which outfit on my profile is your favorite. Huge shout out to 21 Buttons for sponsoring this video. I got my cookies here. I got my soy milk. It is time to let you guys know what I got for Christmas. Disclaimer, I am not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I am truly, truly, truly grateful and blessed to have the amazing family that I have and to be able to afford things on my own, because some of these presents I did buy with my own money because sometimes you just need to treat yourself. But I just wanna let you guys know that Christmas and the holiday season is not about gifts. It is just about being with loved ones and spending quality time with the people that you love. So without further ado, let's dive into what I got for Christmas. First things first, CVS came in clutch and they gave me this holiday gift, which was so nice. Shout out to CVS. I actually really love CVS. I mean, Merry Christmas, Teala, your friends at CVS Pharmacy, which is like literally so nice though. Thank you. Oh, wow. This whole time I'm trying to like undo the bow and really, Teala? Anyways. Oh my gosh. Happy holidays from your CVS friends. Wow. Thank you. It's literally a box of everything that I want and more. So they gave me a box of breath spray, which I love. I'm such a freak. I need to do a what's in my purse video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in a what's in my bag video, 2019, throwing it back. I was talking to Nikki about this and we were at the nail salon together and I was like pulling out all these random things in my bag and she was like, this needs to be a video. Like, this is so funny. And I always carry like mints and deodorant and tampons and everything you can imagine inside of my bag. So the fact that this comes with 2 breath sprays is incredible because I can give one to a friend too. Then they gave me this, oh my gosh, this e.l.f. glow on the go selfie light. So whenever I'm taking selfies in the dark, boom, which is perfect because, you know, gotta glow. And then this is, oh my gosh, no way, this is the Tommy Girl roll-on perfume. And I love roll-on perfumes because you can just throw them in your bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells really good. That's so nice and perfect for traveling because I am traveling a lot for 2019. So thank you guys. And there's so much more too. They gave me eyelashes. They gave me pressed powder. They gave me eyeshadow palette, blister cushion, if I ever get a blister on my foot, which is great because you guys know I'm not a heel girl. So whenever I wear heels, my feet are like, why did you do this to me? And then a whitening pen. You guys know I love having pearly white, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. Ooh, oh my god, okay, they know me too well. They got me dark chocolate espresso beans. You guys know I am a huge coffee addict. I'm not even afraid to admit it. Like, I love me some coffee, so this is perfect. You Jet Set Lips. This is a lip plumping gloss. Now I'll probably be giving this to some of my friends because I don't think my lips need to get any bigger, but thank you so much, CVS. So that's the first thing I got from them. Then I got this philosophy set, and it is just different flavors, obviously. Hot cocoa, peppermint stick, snow angel, cranberry medley, fresh cream, which is my favorite. Fresh cream is my absolute favorite scent by them, and they gave it to me in the body lotion, which I love. And then spiced gingerbread cookie, which is a shower gel. So these are just a mix of like body lotion, body washes, lip glosses too, coconut frosting, and sugar sprinkles. Ooh, oh my God, I cannot wait to use the sugar sprinkles because it's like a nice pink. Oh, I'm so excited to use that. So happy holidays to me, yes. Also, leave a comment down below if you guys remember me wearing this exact same onesie a couple years ago. I think I was like, I don't know, maybe, no, I don't know. I think I was 19. I think I was 19. I wanna say I was 19. Then I got the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation along with like 300 beauty blenders because I am absolutely obsessed with Beauty Blender, and I feel like the most money I spend at Sephora is on new beauty blenders. I'm not even kidding. Like, I love Beauty Blender so much. I'm in the shade 400 if you guys were curious, but I really like it. So far it's been lasting all day and I love it. So yeah, got that. Then I got some goodies from Essie. Oh my gosh, so many different nail colors to choose from. I personally love Essie, especially when I'm getting pedicures. Yeah, just literally all the colors you want. Then I got more stuff from Philosophy. Oh my God, Philosophy themselves sent me jewelry, which is so nice. What the heck? It's this pretty gold necklace. Thank you so much, Philosophy. That is so sweet. I love that. Okay, more. Then my parents got me some Nike slides, which I didn't even know were a thing, but I love them. They're so cute and perfect for when I get my toes done, get a nice pedicure, take Spongy for a walk, I don't know. But yeah, I thought that they were super cute and so comfortable. These literally feel like slippers, so thank you, Mom and Dad. Then I got myself a wet brush. I love wet brushes. It is so great for the weave. I mean, don't ever get a hairbrush that like yanks your hair out or anything like that. This is perfect. 10 out of 10 would recommend. My friends at Babe with the Bubbly got me just a bunch of rosé cans, which is really adorable. And if you know me, you know I love wine. I'm such a wine girl. I love rosé. Rosé all day is my motto. So they gave me that for Christmas, which is super sweet. And then they also got me white wine and red wine, which is perfect for when I have guests over. I feel so adult now that I'm 22. What the heck? Like, wow. Teala's 22, very odd. Maybe 22, but still rocking my hoodie, you know? I just said hoodie. I just called this a hoodie. It's a onesie. They also got me this cute little candle. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my God, it smells like gingerbread cookies, which is very fitting because I'm like a reindeer and I tried to do my eye makeup like gingerbread-ish. I don't know if it's working, but it smells very good. Then I got this amazing Lush gift set. This box smells heavenly. Like, I literally wish you guys could smell this through the screen. But anyways, I got Cinders, I think it's called, which is a shower gel. I love their shower gels. They're incredible. Then I got Snow Fairy, which is my all-time favorite because I love sweet scents. I love smelling like candy. Ooh, a body conditioner. This one is called Buck Fizz, I think. Oh my gosh, this literally smells like a popsicle. It smells so good. And then they gave me a bunch of different bath bombs. Like, this one's really cool. And then this one is adorable too. Look at that, looks like a pink snowflake. And it smells like Snow Fairy too. I got this cute little polar bear, also a bath bomb. I'm very excited to use this glittery bath bomb because it literally just looks like gold. Next, I got a Purity skincare set because I love taking off my makeup with my Neutrogena wipes, and then I love using my Garnier micellar water, which is incredible. But then on top of that, because I'm crazy, I like to use the Purity face wash after I'm done with that, just to make sure that all of my makeup is off, especially if I'm doing like photo shoots or if I've been on set all day. So love that. And they also have an exfoliating wash that I've been dying to try, so I got that. And this is their moisturizer, which I have yet to try as well, so got that. Then got some wireless Beats Solo headphones. I love some Beats. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm traveling on the plane, I just love like having my Beats on, whether I'm like watching movies on the plane or if I'm just listening to my own music, which by the way, shameless plug, but I do have a Spotify, which will be linked down inside of the description box, and I would love for you guys to follow my playlist. I have a playlist that I made for all of you called Tealaxx Tunes, and it's poppin', and I update it on the regular. Now, last but certainly not least, Louis Vuitton from Mama Dunn, who's incredible. I love my mom so much. Let me know in the comments down below if I should like give her a makeover in the new year. Not a makeover, but just like do her makeup, you know? Like do her makeup how I do my makeup, kind of turning her into me kind of thing. I feel like that would be a really cool video. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I love Louis Vuitton's like boxing. It's just so grand, you know? Like, who is she? Oh my God. Do you guys, hold up, we're gonna take a second. She is beautiful. We love her. What should we name her? That is the biggest question. What do we name her? Wow, so cute. I feel like a little businesswoman, like on my way to my meeting. So that is everything I got for Christmas 2018. I was about to say 2019. I cannot believe 2019 is approaching. Insane. Once again, a huge shout out to 21 Buttons for sponsoring this video. The app will be linked inside the description box. Make sure you guys download it. My username is TTLY. You guys can shop what I'm wearing. And yeah, I will be keeping you guys updated on what I'm wearing. You literally can just press it. You know, press the little button. Make sure you guys check out 21 Buttons, and I will see you all in my next video, which might be next year. Wow. See you guys in 2019. Bye, guys.